In this video, we will discuss the common video project types, and here are 10 very common types of video projects. Corporate videos, including promotional videos, training videos, and internal communication materials for businesses. Product demonstrations, videos showcasing the features and benefits of a product or service. Tutorials and how-to guides, educational videos that teach viewers how to do something, ranging from cooking recipes to DIY projects. Event coverage, recording and highlighting events such as conferences, seminars, weddings, and concerts. Vlogs and personal videos, personal video blogs or vlogs, documenting the daily life or experiences of individuals. Documentaries, in-depth explorations of real-life events, people, or topics, often with a narrative or investigative approach. Testimonials and reviews, videos featuring customers or experts sharing their experiences and opinions about products or services. Animation and motion graphics, animated videos or motion graphics used for storytelling, explanation, or visual representation of data. Social media content, short-form videos tailored for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, including challenges, trends, and branded content. Short films, narrative or experimental films with a complete story arc, often produced for festivals, competitions, or online distribution. For a detailed explanation of each of the topics, please consider joining the course mentioned in the advertisement clip that follows. Thank you.
Do you want to know how I made this video? If you are interested in learning video making for YouTube, then please know about this course where you can learn about video making at a very cheap price just by becoming a member of my community. A link to the course is available in the description.